It is now easier than ever to visit distant locations around the world. But just how there are beautiful places to visit, there are places that are definitely not tourist friendly. There are some places where you can't disrespect the nature. Hello friends, I am Sipsuraj. Welcome to my channel Extra Talks. Today in this video I am gonna tell you top 10 most dangerous places in the world. Watch this video to the end. So let's begin. Number 10, Elephant Kingdom, Thailand. In Elephant Kingdom, Thailand, at a crocodile farm, the owner leases out a small semi-closed wrap space for tourists to come visit, see and feed crocodiles. You imagine if one of a tourist accidentally sleeps or pushes inside, then what will happen? Number 9, Guatemala, Central America. With an estimated population of around 15.8 million, it is the most populous state in Central America. Natural disasters have a long history in this geologically active part of the world. Its location between the Caribbean Sea and Pacific Ocean makes it a target for hurricanes. The last hurricane wiped the entire village and everyone who lived there off the face of the earth. Number 8, Fraser Island, Australia. First of all, the island is a very famous tourist attraction. However, it is not only known for its shark attacks but for dingo attacks as well. Dingoes are a breed of feral dog native to Australia and like any wild, undomesticated predator can be extremely dangerous to humans. So it is better to visit the area with proper protection. Number 7, Naples, Italy. This city is called a death trap. Over 9 lakh people live in this death trap, surrounded by volcanoes on all sides. The slopes of the volcano and immediate areas surrounding the volcano are densely populated. In case of a major eruption, more than a million people's life could be at risk. Number 6, Death Valley, USA. The stunning desert holds the record of the highest temperature ever recorded on our planet, 57 degrees Celsius. The blazing sun in scorching heat of Death Valley will make you exhausted very quickly. Without water you can live here only for 14 hours. Death Valley has killed many people in the past and it doesn't forgive those who are not very careful in this desert. Number 5, Baghdad, Iraq. Baghdad was once a very beautiful city of Iraq. But more than a decade after the United States began the war in Iraq, violence still runs rampant. Recurrent suicide bombings, random gunfire, and roadside bombs continue to wreak havoc on the unfortunate citizens of the city. Number 4, Danakil Desert, Ethiopia. Danakil Desert in Ethiopia is one of the most inhospitable places on earth, but it is also one of the most strangely beautiful land. All foreign officials will advise you never to visit this desert, mainly due to a border conflict with Eritrea and the risk of getting kidnapped. The extreme temperature and the harsh conditions will also make it pretty dangerous. Number 3, Snake Island, Brazil. This island is widely recognized as the most dangerous place on earth. The reason is quite simple. This place is full of most of venomous snakes in the world. It is in fact so dangerous to set foot there that Brazil has made it illegal for the tourists to visit there. Number 2, Grand Canyon, USA. You might not think of it as a dangerous place because of what a tourist hotspot it is, but the majority of accidents happen off the river and those are due to poor equipment or poor judgment. It is known to be the nation's second highest suicide location. Number 1, Bermuda Triangle, North Atlantic. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle or Hurricane Alley, is a loosely defined region in the western part of North Atlantic Ocean, where a number of aircrafts and ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Till now, there is no logical explanation to this. Please friends, like, share and subscribe my channel and show your support towards me.